For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Tired of waiting forever for dinner? Imagine cooking your favorite meals 40% faster, with less oil and still getting that perfect, crispy finish every time. That's exactly what the VAL CUCINA infrared heating air fryer toaster oven delivers. This 10-in-1 countertop convection oven isn't just another gadget, it's a real kitchen game changer. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, it's made cooking so much easier. The secret lies in its infrared heating plus true convection air fry system. With 6 heating elements, 2 of them infrared, this oven cooks evenly and quickly. The first time I made chicken wings, they came out golden, crispy, and juicy. No flipping, no uneven spots. That alone convinced me this wasn't your average toaster oven. The 10-in-1 versatility is another big win. You can air fry, toast, bake, roast, broil, reheat, slow cook, or even dehydrate, all in one machine. I've personally used the bake and toast modes the most, especially for cookies and garlic bread, and both turned out perfectly cooked every time. It really feels like having multiple appliances packed into one smart design. And let's talk about capacity. This thing is built for real-life use. It's 30 to 60% larger than most models, so you can roast a 5 to 6 pound chicken, toast 6 slices of bread, or bake a 12-inch pizza all at once. I once cooked dinner for 4 in a single go, fries, chicken, and veggies, and everything was ready together, evenly cooked and still piping hot. The air fry mode deserves special mention. It cuts up to 75% of the fat compared to traditional frying while keeping that satisfying crunch. I was honestly surprised at how close the texture was to deep-fried food. Fries, nuggets, wings all came out crispy and delicious with almost no oil. With 1,750 watts of power, this oven preheats faster and cooks efficiently, saving nearly 30% of your kitchen time. The digital display and analog knobs make it simple to use, even if you're not into techie kitchen gear. Cleanup's a breeze too. It comes with an enamel baking tray, wire rack, air fryer basket, and crumb tray, all designed for easy washing. To wrap it up, the VAL CUCINA infrared heating air fryer toaster oven brings together speed, versatility, and healthier cooking in one sleek design. From quick snacks to full dinners, it's made my cooking routine faster and a lot more enjoyable. If you want a countertop oven that actually performs like a full-sized one, this is the one to beat.